How to accept Bitcoin payments in your app. The first thing you need to do is create an account on Coinbase Commerce. You can find the link in the description. Once inside, you will need to register a new account by entering your email and password. And then, click on Create Account. You will receive a validation email, then you will need to continue with the creation of your account. To enable security, you will need to download the Google Authenticator app and scan the QR code. We recommend downloading the backup codes and saving them in a safe place if you lose access to your account. After that, you will see a phrase that you have to save securely as it will be used to access your virtual wallet. On the next screen, enter the previous phrase again to confirm. You can also save a backup copy of your wallet in your Google Drive account. Once your sign-in is complete, you will be able to access your control panel. From here, click on Settings. In the API Keys section, you will need to create a new API key. Copy this key, and you will be able to add the Coinbase feature to your app using it. Go to Apphive, and from your app dashboard, go to Settings. In Settings, choose Add-ons. In the Payments section, turn on the Coinbase API. Click to set it up and add your API key. Paste your API key that you copied from the Coinbase page. And click on Save. Then go back to edit your app. Go to the App Process section. Add a new app process with the code that you can copy in the video description. Then, on a screen you want to make the payment, add a button to add this process. Choose the button and go to the Functions tab. Add an on-press event. Add the payments feature that you just added as an app process. Within it, you must enter the amount to be paid, the 3-character currency code, and a description of what will be bought. Remember that these values can be obtained from functions, databases, or other processes in your app. Select the callbacks of the function. Enter the menu section. And enable the bottom menu. In this menu, which you can open from the bottom blue button, we'll add a web view. Drag the web view component to the bottom menu. Go to the Styles tab. And we'll change the height to 100. And we will enable the percentage to be 100% high. Then on the Data tab, you can modify the home page by any one you want. I recommend using pay.apphive.io to show a loader. Close the bottom menu. And select the button again. Go to the Functions tab. And add a function in Success. Add a Modify control. Choose an outvars variable. And select the previous function. Here type URL as an attribute, which is the address of the payment page. In Items, select the web view that we added from the bottom menu. And choose the property to modify from href so that when loading it displays the payment page in this component. Click to add a new feature. And add the toggle bottom menu sheet function to open the bottom menu. Also add a function, in case of an error. Can you add an alert to indicate that something went wrong? And write a custom error message. Click outside to choose the page and go to the Data tab. Add a new page variable with the name, code. Select the Checkout button. And click on the Functions tab. To add a new function in Success, add a set page value function. Choose the variable we just created. And select the value of the payment function. Here, choose the code property. Open the bottom menu again. Go to the App Process tab. Add the process with the code you can copy from the description of this video. Select the web view, and add a new event. Choose the On Navigation State Change event. And add a new feature. Choose the process we just added. And select the variable we created on the page as input variable. Now, in the callbacks of the function, we can add any event on success when the payment was successfully processed, such as sending an alert, or add a feature in case of error or the payment has not been processed. With this, you can now receive any type of cryptocurrency that is accepted by Coinbase and have one more form of payment in your app. For more app tutorials, go to universidad.apphive.io.